You just yawned. Someone near you did it first, and your body copied them instantly without asking your permission. Here is what almost nobody tells you. That yawn was never really about being tired. It was your brain quietly deciding whether you belonged to the person sitting across from you. Scientists have chased this mystery for decades. What they found changes the way you'll see every yawn for the rest of your life. Start with the obvious question. Why does a yawn spread at all? A yawn lasts about 6 seconds. It stretches your jaw. It floods your lungs with air. Some researchers think it may even cool your brain by a fraction of a degree, though that idea is still debated. That much is roughly agreed on. But contagious yawning is something else entirely. It doesn't happen because you're tired. It happens because someone else is close enough to notice. In the 1980s, a researcher named Robert Provine at the University of Maryland, Baltimore County decided to actually study this instead of just wondering about it. He showed people videos of strangers yawning. Almost half of the viewers yawned back within minutes. Some yawned just from reading the word yawn printed on a page. Think about that. Your body can be triggered by a single word. Years later, researchers Ivan Norcia and Elisabetta Palagi dug deeper and found something stranger still. Yawns don't spread evenly. You are far more likely to catch one from a close friend or family member than from a stranger. Less likely from an acquaintance. Barely at all from someone you've never met. Why would your body care who is yawning? One possible answer sits inside a part of your brain involved in reading other people's emotions. Many researchers believe a mirroring system is at work here, firing not only when you do something yourself, but when you simply watch someone else do it. Watch a friend wince in pain, and part of your own brain reacts as if you felt it too. Watch them yawn, and that same mirroring may switch on. Think of it like a tuning fork beside another tuning fork. Strike one, and the second starts vibrating on its own, untouched. Your nervous system may do something similar with people you're close to. This is where things get personal. In 2014, geneticist Elizabeth Cerulli at Duke University ran a study asking hundreds of people to watch a stranger yawning repeatedly on video. Some caught the yawn almost immediately. Others sat through the whole clip completely unmoved. Cerulli found that susceptibility had almost nothing to do with tiredness or intelligence, despite decades of assumptions otherwise. Age had only a small effect. Oddly, it wasn't strongly tied to empathy either, the trait most people would expect to explain it. Most of the difference between people is still unexplained. That single finding rewired how scientists think about yawning. Contagious yawning isn't a simple empathy switch. It's something quieter and harder to pin down, something your body is doing for reasons science hasn't fully mapped out yet. Now here's the twist nobody expects. Not everyone catches yawns equally, and the exceptions reveal something remarkable. In 2007, researcher Atsushi Senju at Birkbeck, University of London, studied children on the autism spectrum. He found these children yawned far less often in response to watching others yawn, even though their own spontaneous yawning worked completely normally. Their bodies simply weren't picking up the same social signal everyone else responds to. That single detail flips the whole story. A yawn was never really about oxygen or tiredness at all. It was a silent conversation your body was having with the people around you this entire time, one you never consciously agreed to join. And this runs both directions. Some studies suggest people who score higher on empathy catch yawns more easily, though other researchers have found no such link, so the evidence stays genuinely mixed. What most scientists do agree on is simpler. Your body tracks closeness, even while the exact mechanism is still argued over in laboratories today. Think about your own life. Whose yawns catch you instantly? Your partner? Probably. Your closest friend? Almost certainly. Maybe even your dog, since some studies suggest pets catch yawns from the humans they're bonded to. A stranger on the train barely registers. Your body has been quietly measuring closeness this whole time, one contagious yawn at a time. And it never once asked for your permission. So the next time you feel that pull in your jaw because someone near you yawned first, pause for a second. That isn't tiredness catching up with you, that's your body admitting in the most involuntary way possible exactly who it considers close enough to belong to.